What we're going to look at today is adding extra fields. Now, an extra field is, for example, if we're on a patient record and you come down here, you see this food preference. That would be an extra field that I've chosen to add in, and I've going to fill that in for my different patients, and you see that's showing on your patient screen. You can also do that with your clients. So on your client screen, anything down here like vet preference or birthday 1, so you might say that that's the birthday of the husband, and birthday 2, if you want to add in a birthday 2, would be birthday of the wife, so you'd have your own sort of code. So anything you want to put in here is an extra field, and we'll show you how to do that. You can also see here it's showing you when it was last updated, and you'll see when you add your extra field you can choose whether you actually have a time and day put in here or whether you don't have anything put in here. So to do an extra field, go through administration and we go to extra fields and we add a new extra field. So here you're choosing where you're adding it. Are you adding it to the client screen? Are you adding it to the patient screen? Or are you adding it to the product? Generally, I think a lot of time going to be adding to client or patient. So say for clients, you saw there we had birthday 1. Let's say we want to add in birthday 2. You can then choose what type of a field you want it to be. Text 45 characters, text 100 characters, text box multi-line, so a paragraph, a date field, a number field without decimals, or a number field with decimals. In this case we'd make it a date field because it's going to be a birthday. We're not going to give it a default. Now display order, that's where it's going to show on your extra fields. So you might remember that we had vet preference, we had the birthday 1, so if we make birthday 2 show 3rd, it'll show hopefully after birthday 1. Do we want it to have a timestamp? It doesn't really need to have a timestamp. Searchable, now this isn't going to be something that you're going to be needing to search on when you're searching for a client or patient. If you are putting in something there that you would want searchable, maybe you're adding in a some sort of extra field like a microchip field that you want to be able to search on, then you might want to include it in your search filters, or you might want it to be in your all field search. So you choose here whether it's going to be searchable and whether it's going to display in your search grid. So when you search, is it a column that's going to show in that search or not? Right, so we'll add that extra field birthday 2. And you can see we've added a new extra field successfully. If we now go and have a look at our client, you'll see we have birthday 2, vet preference, birthday 1.